Hey Siri, what's happening in real estate?
Here's some news about real estate.
We saw the second highest number of home sales ever for the month of January. At the same time, supply seems to be inching up, so that could be good news for home buyers and the market in general. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. Last month, I mentioned that we were seeing more supply, and that could be good news for home buyers. In fact, supply went up by an average of 59% from January to February. But more is needed, because the faster supply appears, the faster it disappears. Details coming right up. Welcome back to Real Estate on the Lam, bringing you the latest market information, some predictions, and a few other nuggets along the way. Hi, I'm Lambros from Royal LePage, and as I mentioned in the intro, supply is way up all across the board by an average of 59% month over month, which is great, but not enough as sales volume or demand was also up, but slightly lower at 51%. Look for this trend to continue this month and throughout the spring as more interest rate rises are expected, and that should continue to balance the market. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. This chart tells the story of the last 13 months. The red line is demand and the blue line supply. In a normal market, supply should be higher than demand, but since September, we have seen demand much higher than supply. This is what has created all the frenzy of the bidding wars and accelerated price appreciation. As you can see, in December, we hit a low point in supply, and that's what caused the market to really take off. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, was in full effect, and buyers threw caution to the wind as they bid their firstborn to get a house.
Shut up and take my money!
Since last month, however, supply has spiked, so I think we will see that blue line cross over the red line sometime this spring, as another interest rate hike is likely in April. When that happens, the bidding wars should calm down, and home prices should flatten a little, but don't expect them to drop. Speaking of home prices, here's what happened over the last year. That huge spike you see in December is a direct result of low supply and FOMO, which I just talked about in the last chart. The acceleration slowed down from Jan to Feb and again from Feb to March, and I expect it to flatten once more as we head into the spring and summer. I've mentioned a couple times that interest rates will continue to go up and that prices should flatten accordingly. These rate hikes are not enough to cause a market crash. Not even a pandemic could do that. The only thing that may cause prices to fall is government interference, for example, if they decide to drastically change the lending rules. Barring that, we should see a more balanced market for the rest of 2022. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious about local market activity, please do not hesitate to contact me. I would love to hear from you, and I'm also happy to show you the local stats and answer your questions. You may call, text, email, or even post a comment in the section below. In the meantime, please like and share this video, and if you're watching on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button or follow me on Facebook and Instagram to get all the latest videos and market information. Have a fantastic day and stay safe.